Hey everybody, it's Nina here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's all about sheet masks. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nina Carpio. If you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down there as well as the bell button so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I put out. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at SmileLikeNina. Also, stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna have a big giveaway. Alright, let's get to the video. So sheet masks are the face-shaped sheet fabrics that's soaked in a solution called serum. The sheet mask originated from, of course, I think this country is becoming the beauty capital of the world. It originated from South Korea and it's gaining popularity like everywhere. So how does it work? The sheet masks consist of many beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid and other vitamins. The sheet prevents quick evaporation, so the serum can actually penetrate deep into your skin. They really bring fast effects in regards to enhancing your skin, and they're inexpensive compared to going to a spa. So how do you use a sheet mask? All sheet masks has instructions at the back. It usually say that you have to wash your face and then tone and then put on the sheet mask. But if you're following a 10-step Korean skincare routine, what you do is first you double cleanse and then exfoliate. And then after exfoliating, you tone your face and then you put your essence, which is actually optional because the mask already has a lot of, beneficial ingredients in them. So essence is optional. And then serum. So if you have a separate serum that addresses other concerns in your skin, you can put that in first. And then after the serum, you apply the sheet mask. So you leave it there as per the instruction at the back. Usually it's between 15 to 20 minutes. So after you take off the sheet mask, you don't need to wash your face. All you need to do is tap it in and massage your face with the leftover serum. Once you're done with the sheet mask, it doesn't stop there. You actually need to put in your moisturizer so that your skin is really hydrated. And of course, your eye cream as well. Don't forget your eye cream. So there are different kinds of masks out there, I know, and it can get a little bit confusing sometimes, but all you need to choose is the ones that addresses your skin concerns. If you want something that's hydrating, look for words like hydrating, moisturizing, and then if you're gonna look for ingredients, look for an ingredient called hyaluronic acid and glycerine and snail slime. So this is an example of a hydrating mask. So it says here, a refreshing and moisturizing gel mask infused with seaweed extracts. So if I'm gonna look at the ingredients, it has glycerine in it, which is a moisturizing ingredient. And then if you want a mask that's calming, then look for words like soothing, calming. And so this is an example of a calming mask. So this is green tea. So it says there moisturizing and soothing. If you want some brightening effects, then look for an ingredient with vitamin C or niacinamide. So this is an example of a brightening mask. This is a lemon citron. It says here face mask with lemon extract brightening. If you're looking for a mask for anti-aging, then look for words like collagen, and then it will say there in the mask anti-aging or anti-wrinkle. So this one says collagen mask, so anti-aging. And then there's some masks that addresses two concerns at a time. This is an example, and it says here skin brightening and anti-wrinkle effects. So it has brightening and anti-aging effect. And make sure that you're buying them from a really good company. So Skin Food is good, Face Shop is good. So the good thing is there's so many that are really good. So you really have a lot to choose from. More tips on sheet masks. Don't leave it longer than what it says at the back of the sheet mask. So if it says 10 minutes, leave it for 10 minutes and then take it off. If you leave it longer, the mask dries out and it actually absorbs back the moisture out from your face. So it has a negative effect if you leave it longer. Oh yeah, I love putting this mask in my refrigerator because when I put them on, it has a cooling effect which relaxes you more. So you might be asking where you can buy sheet masks. There are actually a lot of online shops out there these days. I got mine from Mimo Studio UAE. You can follow them at Mimo Studio UAE in Instagram. They actually have a lot of cool sheet masks, a lot of masks for you to choose from. So I hope it answered all your questions about the sheet mask. If it doesn't, let me know. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. So now for the giveaway, all you need to do is check out the description box down below and you can win 10 different kinds of sheet masks that will help make your skin glow and flawless. So good luck to everybody and I'll see you guys next time. Keep smiling. Bye.